back again in the middle of the night. As I keep telling you, I don't show you nearly all the shoes that I buy. And usually I don't like to show you sneakers that go for like high resale. But I used to show a friend of mine all the shoes that I bought lately that I haven't unboxed, I haven't showed you, I haven't done any videos about them. Some of them I haven't even opened, like this latest one from SNS. So I was thinking to, let me put the flash on there, that's a little bit better. So it's a bunch of boxes. So I was thinking of showing you a pair that I actually think is underrated. Mostly because they still go for retail on StockX. Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. The video that I did last night wasn't good, and I was wrong actually. The shoes does not sell for retail anymore, but let me explain. This is the Air Jordan 3 Fire Red Denim, and I was offered to buy them for retail before they got released, and I didn't bother, and they were fully available at the release. And then even after the release, I was offered to buy them for retail or maybe slightly under. But I didn't care because I wanted the Japan Asian version. And this is not them. The Japan version, Asian version, has Nike spelled out in Japanese. And I think those are super cool. And I only wanted those. Then when I saw that they were on StockX for retail money, I decided I can get them while I'm hoping for the prices on the Japanese shoes to get down. I keep getting interrupted, but what I wanted to say is that I waited to buy them until I had the Japanese, the JDM model as well, but I did not get to buy them. And these days, when everything go for resale, these are nice. The quality is nice. They are absolutely worth the retail money. The leather is soft, tumble, thick. Very good looking shoe, and are true to size. They are like a Air Force One. Most Air Jordan 3 are just like that. They are true to size. So if you're just tired of getting L's and you don't want to pay resale, this is a good idea to pick up. I think they look really good. And they go for more or less retail. I think my size US 12 or like maybe $240, something like that. So they are worth the money. Check them out. And do you have them? Let me know if you have them. And now I'm gonna go get another package. See you soon.